In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the GoCharting Scanner. Let's start by getting your chart ready for this exercise. Open your chart and make sure you have the right data available. This is your first step towards harnessing the powerful features offered by GoCharting. Once your chart is open, look towards the top right corner. There you will find the Settings icon. Click on Settings. This is where you'll make the adjustments necessary for the scanner. Accessing the settings is crucial because it lets you customize the tool to fit your specific needs. With the settings open, navigate to Order Flow Settings. Order flow is an essential component for understanding market dynamics. By examining order flow, you can gain insights into the buying and selling pressure in the market. Now, within the order flow settings, locate the Power Trade Scanner option. This tool is designed to help you identify significant market moves. Finding the scanner here ensures you can quickly access its powerful capabilities. Next up, you will want to turn the Power Trade Scanner on. This step is key because it activates the feature, allowing you to start scanning for potential trades. You should see a toggle or switch to enable this functionality. When the scanner is on, it becomes ready to monitor the market based on your criteria. Now, let's move on to setting the parameters for your scanner. Enter the total volume. This is the minimum volume required for a trade to be considered a power trade. Setting this threshold helps filter out insignificant trades and focuses only on impactful ones. Along with total volume, you need to set the time interval in seconds. This value represents how quickly the specified volume must trade. It is an important parameter because it determines the urgency and speed of the trades you wish to capture. A shorter interval may indicate more aggressive market activity. After entering these details, it's time to apply them. Click on Apply Power Trades. This action finalizes your setup and instructs the scanner to begin monitoring the market. You will see a confirmation appear, indicating that your settings are now active. By following these steps, you have effectively configured the GoCharting Scanner to suit your trading needs. This setup allows you to identify significant trades quickly and efficiently. Remember, adjusting these settings from time to time can help you adapt to changing market conditions. As you utilize the scanner, take note of how the data it provides influences your trading decisions. The insights gained can be crucial in developing your strategy. Each parameter you set can have a profound impact on the information you receive. To wrap things up, remember that practice and experimentation are key to mastering tools like these. The more you use the scanner, the more adept you'll become at interpreting its results. With the scanner at your disposal, you're better equipped to navigate the complexities of the market. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide helps you make the most of the GoCharting Scanner. Until next time, happy trading!